تمانغا كوراف الدين تأوى كعراق تواكا كالسعودي تيوي كمحمد تتنغدا كفارس هو
كعرفة تمانغا كوراف الدين تأوى كعراق تواكا كالسعودي تيوي كمحمد صلى الله عليه وسلم تتنغدا كالفاروق هو.
This is my brother Faruq and this is me Faris.
I'm 9 years old, he's 7 years old, and we are originally from We're from everywhere. Iraq, Syria, Turkey. The languages that we speak are Arabic, English, and Māori.
We started learning Tariya Māori with my mom in my school, elementary school. I feel like anyone can learn language. It doesn't only need to be for Māori people, it could be for any people. Why do you like learning Tariya Māori?
I just do it because I want to respect tangata whenua, because it's the least that we can do, and because in my faith it teaches to learn and understand other cultures, so we can and obviously respect them. So that's why I learned Tariya Māori. Why do you learn Tariya Māori?
Because it's a beautiful language and it's the language of Aotearoa. When I know more than one language, it's like you feel happy, and it's like different languages separate together. It's like Māori, English, and Arabic. And it's like you say kia ora and thing, and you say salaam alaikum, and you say hello. It's way different, and then they all mean the same thing, but they're just in different languages. All these Māori words, and it's translating in English and Arabic.
It's tekemu or whakarongmai.
That's why it's called whakarongmai, so you have to listen to what words he's trying to say.
That's the first thing that we thought of in the game, so we named it after that. Kani kani. Kōrero-mai.
Oh.
Kia tūpato.
Oh.
Okay, my turn.
The longest word I know is taumata whakatangi hana ko wawa o tamatea turipu kaka piki mo ngā horonaka pōkai whenua ki tana tahu. So it means a person went to the top of the mountain and did his then played his flute for his beloved brother that died in the war.
You ready, Faris?
Yep. Taru te ko mai wha.
Toru tuko.
Rua te ko mai wha.
Ka pai.
What do you enjoy about te reo? About learning te reo?
We do waiatas and hakas and play Māori games, so I think that's why I like doing Māori.
Is Stan Walker Māori? Yeah, Stan Walker, I know him.
Kapi oi oi te wairua.
Yeah, Te Wairoa is my favourite one.
Te wairua.
I'm pretty sure lots of kids in New Zealand, they're putting in the effort to understand the Māori culture and learn the Māori language as well.
In the future, hopefully, lots of kids and lots of parents will learn the Māori language and its culture. So we feel proud that we have the Māori culture in New Zealand.